the formula for escape speed. I did explain what escape speed is the last time. Okay. So let's say that here is Earth, and you launch something, some object from the Earth's surface. Right. So right now we are deriving escape speed from surface of Earth. Okay, that is when you launch something from surface of Earth, what is the escape? So let's say you launch it from here, the Earth surface, with initial speed v, and it will go far. Let's say it reaches infinity, right? So the definition is that the minimum speed, minimum initial speed. So we have to find the minimum value of v for which it will reach infinite. Infinite, that is very far, and it's never going to come back. Okay. So let's say when it reaches infinity, the speed is v dash. Speed matters, so gradually the speed will change. I hope you realize why speed will change. Earth will try to pull it down, so the speed will decrease. We decrease the higher, there is no doubt about it, right? So let's say when it reaches infinity, that is very far, the speed is v dash. Okay. As usual, radius of Earth is re. Okay. So let's begin. I am going to call this initial point and this as final. Now, while this moves, and suppose its mass is m, mass of Earth is m(e). So while this moves, only gravitational force will act, and it is conservative. So as gravitational force is conservative. Okay, what do we get? K1 plus U1 equal to K2 plus U2. Very easy. Now, K1 initial kinetic energy half mv potential energy here at the first point. See, when there is some mass m which is outside a sphere, and we want to find potential energy. Outside sphere is how simple. Let's say we just consider that the whole mass of the sphere is concentrated at the center. Whatever, so I guess I'll say minus g me m by small r, right? But that small r is equal to capital. Clear or not clear? For outside, you just assume that the whole mass is concentrated here. So r distance is unit, and that distance is capital R. Clear? Potential U equal to. Now finally, when it reaches there, so it's going to be half mv dash square. Okay, half mv dash. Kinetic energy when it reaches very far. Minus potential energy again. This point, when this mass reaches here, this point, is it outside the sphere or inside the sphere? Outside. All is the thing, right? Outside no is the outside. Okay, infinity is extremely far. So which formula should be used? Assume this is point, so potential energy will be minus g me m by smaller. But what is smaller? Distance. How much distance? How much distance? Infinite. Who understood that? The distance will be infinite. Barabar hai? It's going very far. Infinite bonega. So here, whatever I write, ultimately I am going to put the denominator as infinite, because the distance r from the center is infinite. Height infinite je distance, because infinite is so big, right? So you divide by infinite, what do you get? 0. The only terms are 0. Okay, suppose exam ma derivation puchaye to main nahi lako to chalse. You can also write it in one more way. This is at infinity, and we took infinity as reference. Do you remember that? Yes. Aapni formula derive kari thi abhi at infinity at reference. sorry, reference at infinity. Give it out to the net. Okay, so that infinity, though infinity for potential energy is 0 because it's to reference. So we get this relation. So this term is 0. Now, if that term is 0, fine. Read the definition again. We want to find the minimum speed. While you read that, I'm going to write the next step here, which is very simple. We want to find the minimum speed with which you should launch it and it should still go to infinity. Something like this. We should launch it with minimum speed. Then that minimum speed is called what? Escape. Clear? Now, let's understand this concept of minimum by using simple example. Let's say I take this duster and my aim is that I want this duster to hit the ceiling. I want this duster to hit the ceiling. And at least ordinary out. So can you imagine that suppose the required speed from here, required speed of throwing is suppose 10 meter per second. So at 10 meter per second it goes off, and then at that point it reaches maximum height. So here its speed will be just 0. What that means is just now touch it will not really hit. You see the difference? But now suppose so this is the minimum. But now instead of 10 meter per second, if I throw it at 12 meter per second, what do you think will happen? Do this and come. You see the difference? Minimum speed it will go slowly into stop and first yes or no? Yes. And if the speed is more, it will hit and go. So the difference is that when you throw something with this minimum required speed, their highest point is the final point and their speed 0. Yes or no? Yes. But if you throw it even faster, when you fast then the speed will not be 0. Did you understand that concept? Yes. In short, if you want V to be minimum, then V dash should be 0. Is that okay or not okay? Yes. Sure, you understood that? Yes. At the highest point or at the farthest point, if we want 0 speed here, then this speed, whatever it is, it has to be minimum possible. Okay, at any speed by khali chance is just and path, it will not hit. Got it? Yes. So for V to be minimum, V dash is 0, and we say that V is equal to VE. Do you understand this line? Yes. Why am I calling it VE now? Because the minimum speed with which it can reach infinity. What's that minimum speed called? Escape speed. Clear or not clear? Yes. I hope this whole block is clear. Okay, this whole block clear. That it reaches there, alright. But then for minimum speed here and here, we should have 0 speed here, and here the speed is going to be V. You duster or something. Okay. What if the speed is more than that? Suppose here speed V nahi. What if it's more than that? Then it will still not come back. You understand why? Duster the upar bhatkai jaye pacho aaye. Fine. But here if you increase the speed more than VE, so V speed it will not come back. If it's more than that, then also it will not come back. Clear or not clear? Yes. Make sure you get it right. So if it's even faster, it will still not come back. So this is minimum. Atli hovi joiye. What if the speed is less than this? Then it will come back. It will not be able to reach infinity. That is, it will not be able to go extremely far. Understood? It will fall back on torque in some time. Okay, so let's take this in our calculation. Let's put values. So I'm going to use these values here. Therefore, 1 by 2 mve squared equal to gmem by RE plus 0. Did you understand that? Let's use this. For escaping and to be minimum speed, we have V dash is 0 and we'll say that this is the escape. Ultimately, what are we getting? VE square equal to 2GME by RE. Yes or no? So what is VE? Under root under root 2GME by RE. This is the escape speed, okay, when launched from Earth's surface. When launched from Earth's surface. Under root 2GME by. Definitely worth remembering, everyone. Now, for a little bit of simplification, our formula we can simplify it a little bit further. VE equal to, have a look here. In the box, do you realize that I can divide and multiply by RE? Why am I doing that? What's this? Yeah. So it becomes very simple. Under root 2GE RE. What is the advantage of remembering or using this? We know the value that it's easy to calculate. 2 into 9.8 into radius of Earth. Easy to use, isn't it? Compared to putting 6.67 and all that. Understood? So both formulas are valid. I recommend that you remember both. I said both. Neither derivation શીખી જાઓ. બરાબર ને? એક જ સ્ટેપ છે વચ્ચે. શું સ્ટેપ? Putting multiplying and dividing by R. So VE from Earth's surface is under root 2 GME by RE or under root 2 GE RE. Let's find value. Possible you might be curious. How much is that speed really with which you should throw so that it never comes back? Right? I know you might be eager to throw your physics textbook. So it never comes back and you don't have to study it, right? Okay, let's find out what's the speed required. Under root 2 into GE value 9.8. I'm not taking 10. RE 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. Okay? So this is equal to 2 into 9.8 is what is it? 2 into 9.8 19.6. Very good. Into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. But you see, it's inconvenient to do it like this. Okay. So I'm going to do it as follows. Have a look here. I'm going to take 2 tens from here and multiply it here. Raise your hand if you understand this step. 10 raised to 6 minus 10 raised to 4. 10 क्या क्या multiply. Okay, why? How to come करो? Root of 196. 14. You see? So 14 into 8 into 10 raised to 2. Okay, so this is going to be 14 जो कैसे करा 80 80 समझ पड़े ने 80 कैसे दे 10 into 8 80 plus 8 into 4 8 into 4 table જોવે તો વધતે કેવો ટેબલ 8 into 4 32 તો 80 અને 32 કેટલું થાય એડિશન 112 જો તમે ગણી શક્યા ને કેલ્ક્યુલેટર વગર કે નો કરી શક્યા આજે ધીમે કર્યું 5 વાર આવું કંઈક કરશો એટલે સ્પીડ વધી જશે 112 into 10 raised to 2 એટલે 11200 units શું meter per second or in short 11.2 kilometer per second. No જાય તમારાથી બુક ન જાય બરાબર. So you are stuck with physics બરાબર ને. you need to throw it with a speed of 11.2 kilometer per second. I know if you could do this, you would not even dream about throwing things away. You might start fast courier service, isn't it? Make one of the 10-second delivery, right? Okay, but yeah, this is imaginary. तो मैं आपके को building ने फटकाई है. Okay. Also, you know, here we are ignoring one thing. It's air resistance. बराबर क्या नहीं? Suppose you throw something very fast, there will be lot of air resistance. धूप जेव तो बढ़ी जाए because of heat. Anyways, so obviously you can't throw it. Jokes apart. So this is escape velocity from surface of Earth. શું યાદ રાખવાનું? આ અને આ વેલ્યુ છે. I recommend that you remember the value. Okay? યુનિટ મીટર પર સેકન્ડ નો લખતા, નહીં તો કાલે ખબર પડશે સ્કૂટર લઈને જતા હતા, એસ્કેપ થઈ ગયા. 11.2 meter per second is very small. Okay, have you understood the whole derivation? It's like we throw from here and it should reach infinity, and the minimum speed jo diyo hai to final speed 0, so you get V. So what I was saying is that suppose you throw at speed 12 kilometer per second, 12, then will it come back? No. I need minimum value. આનાથી વધારે હોય તો હોય જ 10 km. At 11.2 km per second, this will go all the way to infinity. It will stop at infinity, and then it will start coming back towards Earth. So क्या माने escape किस वाने escape केवा? It's coming back towards escape केवा है? Escape because it is reaching infinity. Where is infinity? Is infinity 1 million light year away? No. Is infinity 100 billion light years away? No. Can I change that? So it will keep moving in the universe far and far and far and far and far and far. So we know that its speed will become 0. Fine. But where? That will just keep going and going and going. So this is escape. Okay. Now this was from Earth's surface. We now derivation. Suppose not from surface of Earth, from some height. Not from surface of Earth, from some height. લખવામાં સ્પીડ રાખજો, કારણ કે મારે તો થોડું ઘણું એડ જ કરવાનું છે, તમારે ઘણું બધું લખવાનું. So diagram, small change, instead of here, let's say here. So what's this height? અહીંયા first line માં શું ચેન્જ કરવાનું બોલો? half mv square, v is v, potential and u1. Now instead of being here, it's here. So do you realize I should be writing re plus h? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
લખવા માંડો ફટાફટ. પછી બુદ્ધિ નાખી upon here also same thing, re plus h. આ bracket આ બધું same, right? For v to be minimum, v dash equal to 0. Okay, what change here? Instead of re once again, re plus h, re plus h, re plus h. આવી ગયો. Okay, તમને એવું થાય બીજી વાર ન લખું તો એક સેન્ટેન્સ લખી નાખો. શું લખવાનું? instead of re replaced by re plus h. તોય ચાલશે. and so on so forth. તો સમજી લો. એક્ઝામ માં આવું પૂછે તો આવડી જશે ને? ઓકે. So here we need a few changes. So let's do that. Okay. One more way to write it is as follows. Here launch from Earth surface, from height h. Okay, what's the small change I have made? हमें थोड़ी देर दें. એનો ખબર પડી? easy હતું ને? instead of re plus h we are writing small r. એવું તો આપણે પહેલા કર્યું. Okay. Further, if if I multiply and divide by r, so I get this. What have I done? I have multiplied and divided by smaller. This. So this becomes, what's this? What's this one? Is it GE? Is it GE? No, it's only G outside the Earth. That is from whichever point you are launching, at that point the value of acceleration, gravitational acceleration is. Okay, so I suggest that you write terms here below this. Okay, G stands for, over here G stands for gravitational acceleration due to Earth at point of projection. Do you understand these words? Projection करेगा. What is the meaning of projection? Throwing, yes, at the point of throwing. અહીંયા point of launch લખો તો વાંધો નહીં હો. I don't mind. Terms તમારા માટે હોય, so that you can understand what you are doing. Right? And what is R? Distance of point of projection from center of Earth. Distance of point of projection from center of Earth. Okay, distance of point of projection from center of Earth. Right? So again, these two are same, as you can see. Okay, બે માં કઈ ફરક નથી. Whichever you want to remember. If I had your place, I'd actually remember this one and this one. Okay. પણ બધા, as is the trend in this chapter, એક formula આવે પછી બે steps માં બીજી આવે. Have you noted that?
Yes.
So it's really up to you what you want to remember. પણ એવી રીતે કરો કે ગમે તે તમને આવડે whenever required. Okay. So that's it about escape speed. Let's go to escape energy. They goes how to talk. So what is escape energy? एक बार जनरल में पूछ करो. Kinetic energy or initial, minimum, initial kinetic energy required for escape of projectile. Right? Minimum initial kinetic energy required for escape of the projectile. So I don't think you would be surprised by this formula. તમને એવું લાગશે કે હા તો નેચરલ જ છે, આવું જ લાગ્યું ને કે ન લાગ્યું? Ke is half mv square. બરાબર ને? Kinetic energy is always half mv square. Escape speed, escape energy. Got it?
Yes.
That's it. તો આમાં કઈ કહેવાનું નથી. Okay. Let's go to the next. We are going to solve a few questions now from the textbook. Exercise. I don't think there are questions in the examples related to escape speed. Okay, first question we are doing from the exercise here is number 7. Number 7 from the exercise. Does the escape speed of body from Earth does the escape speed of body from Earth depend on? Okay, depend on following. We have to check. Number 1, does it depend on mass of body? Escape speed. Mass of body. Formula માં mass નથી આવતું? આવે ને? પણ એ કોનું છે mass? Mass of Earth does not depend on mass of body. Escape energy depends on mass of body. Escape speed does not depend on mass. Okay, so not on mass of body. Then B, location. Okay, I want you to add a word over there. Location on Earth. Location on Earth from where it is projected. Right? Location on Earth from where it is projected. You know to mean that you launch it from here, or you launch it from somewhere else on Earth, let's say New Delhi, or let's say Chennai. Does it depend on that? No. No. It won't depend. The way we have derived it won't depend. In reality, there will be a small variation. કારણ કે બધી જગ્યાએ gravitational force અલગ-અલગ હોય, because Earth is not uniform. Okay or not okay? So in reality it does depend, but considering that Earth is uniform, that's what we have assumed, then it will not, right? So you can say it won't depend. It's fine. Then C, does it depend on direction of projection? This one is tricky. Does it depend on direction of projection? No, it will not depend on that also, unless you are throwing it down. That's a completely different story. Right? Why would it not depend? Let me just give a minute. See, suppose you launch something from somewhere at any angle, no problem. Do you realize that the way we derived tells us about this? આવી રીતે કહ્યું હતું બધી વેલ્યુઝ મૂકી. Do we have any role of the angle at which it is launched? Kinetic, does it depend on angle? સમજ પડે છે? So what will happen is, suppose you throw it at an angle, then it will just go around in spiral, but it will still go far away. Make sense?
Yes.
Instead of that, suppose you throw vertical, then it will go straight. That's it. If for 11.2 kilometer per second, if it goes away and never comes back for throwing vertical, then for spiral also it will not come back. It is just that instead of going straight, it will go around in circles like. Is that okay? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
So that's what will happen. That's how it will not depend on angle. You can throw it up, you can throw it at an angle, it will not come back. Okay, if the speed is this or more. Understood? Right? So it doesn't depend on the angle. Its path depends on angle. See, that's the difference. Path kone kehvaye? How it moves. It goes straight, it goes like a spiral. That depends on angle. But ultimately, where will it go? That does not depend. So you can throw it at any angle, no problem. If the speed is enough, it will not come back. Then D, does it depend on the height of location from where body is launched?
Yes.
Does it depend on height?
Yes.
Yes, formula માં જ આવે જ ને. હમણાં જ કહી દીધી. If you throw it from a height, the value is different. Okay. So what do you expect? So like simple question. What do you expect? If you go higher and higher, from that higher point, will escape speed be more or less?
Less.
What do you think?
Less.
It will be less.
The speed will decrease.
Why would it be less?
Because
Because Earth's gravitational force will also be less. Make sense or not?
yes.
The farther you go from Earth, the less the value of G becomes. Correct or not? What that means is that the gravitational pull or force of Earth will decrease. So you વધારે tough થાય ને? Yes or no? You can think of it like magnets actually. That will give you some analogy. Suppose there are strong magnets. Do you realize that if you put some iron object very close to a strong magnet, તો પછી એને કાઢવું tough. Yes or no? It's difficult. Yes. But if it's little bit far, it would still be attracted, but it is easy to move away. Anything, don't you think? Earth, if you go close to Earth, the Earth is going to attract more. So it's difficult to remove this. But from far, it's a little bit easier. समझानो ने? So which is the easier case from where it's far? That is, escape speed and escape energy will be less if the object is at a height. Clear or not clear? Okay. So that was the question 8.8. Now we're going to solve the question related to speed. Yes, number 17. Question number 17 from the exercise. It might not be related to escape speed, but the concept is similar. So we are ready for solving questions related to energy. Question 17 from the exercise of the text. Okay. A rocket is fired vertically with a speed how much? 5 km per second. So here is rocket and we fired but we fired vertically with how much speed? 5 km per second. Now what does the question say? How far from the Earth does the rocket go before returning to the Earth? Can you imagine what this will do? It will go straight up and then at highest point the speed will become 0 and then it will come back. So we have to find how far will it go from Earth's surface. So you can find height. But big assumption that rocket does not have engine. Nature શું થાય? Suppose the rocket engine maintains speed 5 km per second. So if it just keep on going, it will never come back. Escape થઈ જશે. Right? Okay? Question માં લખ્યું છે that it does not have engine? No. Because hopefully, everyone would be knowing, isn't it, that modern day rockets have engine. Oh, isn't it? So, let's solve this question. We know initial speed. We know final speed. What should we do? We want to find this height. Should we use equations of kinematics? V square, V0 square, you know that? You cannot do that. You cannot use equations of kinematics. If acceleration will not be constant, as you go away from Earth, the value of g will change. याद है मुझे? So, in such cases, when we know the speeds, we have to do this. This is the simplest way. Let's start. K1 initially kinetic energy. How much kinetic energy? Okay, is mass of rocket given?
Yes.
Given. Mass of rocket. બરાબર વાંચો. Okay, not given. So m. જે નો હોય કોઈ assume તો કરવું પડે. તો equation લગાય. So half m. હવે શું લખું? V square. 25 નો લગાય because this is kilometer per second. We'll put the value later. Okay, પહેલા થોડું જોઈ લે simplify કરીને થાય. પછી શું લખવાનું? Potential energy, come on. Minus rocket is very small compared to Earth. It's just like a point. What should I write? Minus G minus G MEM by RE. Don't depend on me. જો તમને મારા લખવાથી ખબર પડી હોય તો એક્ઝામમાં તમને નહીં આવડે. Can someone tell me why it's this? આવડે ઊંધું કરી. હું તમને નહીં સમજાવું. તમે મને સમજાવો. Why is this? Raise your hand. If you think you know why it should be this. One big you try. ખોટું પડે શું વાંધો છે? Okay, we'll wipe it off from the camera. Don't worry. Yes, Ayush. Object is drawn from surface of Earth. Okay, that's a part of the reason. Correct, sit down, well done. It is that when you want to find potential energy of this system, what's there in the system? Rocket, Earth. So formula of potential energy, and this point or this rocket, is it inside the sphere or outside the sphere? So assume करवाना all the mass concentrated at the center. तो अब ये point वजह से potential energy है minus G me m by small r. Yes or no? But small r is equal to r. Everything clear? Yes. Okay. So this is it. Equal to. Now K2. K2 0 because V is 0 minus. Now here use same concept. Come on. Our point here. Our rocket here पहुंच गया. Is it inside the earth, outside the earth?
Outside.
Simple idea. So minus G me m by smaller. So I can write Re plus H if I want, but I will not do it right now. I will do it later. Okay, so I'm just writing smaller. Is that okay, everyone? What's smaller again? Re plus H. This is. I hope you can see that in the figure clearly. Okay. આવડશે ને આવા સમ? હવે શું કરવાનું? Is there something that's everywhere? What? M. M that is what? Mass of rocket. હવે ખબર પડી question માં કેમ ન થાય? Because it will always get cancelled. Right? So M cancel. V square by 2 minus. શું લખો અહીંયા? G me by RE equal to what? Minus G me by R. Okay. Now we will find out the value of R. We have to calculate it on ध्यान रखो. Okay, so V square by 2 equal to on right side we have GME common. Yes or no?
Yes.
All right. So this is what we have. Got that?
Yes.
Take your calculators out. Come on, it's tight. હવે એના વગર ન થાય. બહુ કંટાળી જશે. હું કંટાળી જઈશ. તમે કંટાળી જશો. Okay, do we have value of V?
Yes.
Do we have value of V? V is 5 km per second. It is 25 into 10 raised to 6. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure you got that? Or not clear?
Yes.
V value 5 km per second. Kilometer means 1000 km per second, right? So 25 into 10 raised to 6. समझाणो ने? समझाणो. Okay, 5 into 10 raised to 10. You all don't seem so confident. Now I can see the light on your face. Okay, so આવું ન કરો હવે આટલું તો આવડવું જોઈએ એમને. 5 into 10 raised to 3 whole square and 25 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 2. What's the value of G? 6. Question mark? Use that. Don't use anything else. 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Our number is mass of what? 6 into 10 raised to 24. Or something else is given?
No.
Correct calculate. Do not round off. I am warning you. Time બચાવજો. Do not round off. જેટલા ડિજિટ આવે બધા રાખો. I know you might ask કેટલા બધા રાખો. Like મારે લઈ આવજો calculator. It will help me understand what you are doing. 25 divided by 2 divided by 6.67 divided by 6 and number આવે છે 0.31234. Is that right? Okay. So this is 0.31234383 બસ આટલા ચાલશે હવે into 10 raised to, I know this is crazy thing પણ આવું નહીં કરો તો આન્સર લગાવો into 10 raised to what do we get 6 અને 11 and 70 yeah my 7 that's right. Okay, right over here we have 1 by r. That's 1 by r. Okay, so what is 1 by r? 1 divided by r is value is given equation 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. Is this what you get, everybody? Okay. Now it's time for subtraction. So 1 by r equal to this minus this. This one nahi lo. So be careful here, everyone. Attention, look here. When you want to subtract, this won't work. Reason, the powers of 10 are not same. Yeah, chalo. Fluid mechanics ma fast pressure ma એવું થતું હતું. So here we have to make the powers of 10 same. So as 0.3123 into 10 raised to minus 7 there. We will make it 10 raised to minus 6. Then I have to add one more zero here. Is that okay or not okay? Right? હવે આમ જાય એટલે subtract થાય. So 0.15625 minus 0.03 1 2 3 4 383 આવું આવે છે 0.125015617 એવું જ આવે ને 0.1250 15617 બધા કરજો એક્ઝામમાં હું નહીં હોય કરાવવા માટે કેલ્ક્યુલેટર ઓકે 0.125015617 into 10 raised to minus 6. Clear or not clear? Is it what you all get? હવે શું કરવાનું આ 1 by r છે. We don't have to find 1 by r. We have to find r. આનું રેસિપ્રોકલ કરવાનું. Here the shortcut. Look here. Almost બધા calculator માં થાય. Whenever you want to take a reciprocal of a number, type the number. Okay, type take your press divide. દબાયું press equal to how you reciprocal. Just divide and equal to. બીજું કઈ વચ્ચે નહીં દબાવવાનું. I will repeat. 0.125015617 નું reciprocal find કરવાનું. Okay, so press divide, press equal to and you get the reciprocal. And then r equal to 7.999 into 10 raised to 6 meter. So that is 8,000 kilometer. Yes or no? Right? 7999 and 8,000. Got it or not clear? Round off. હવે કર્યું 7999 is 8,000. No કરો તો ચાલશે. આ r છે. We don't want to find r. We want to find h. હવે શું કરવાનું? Small r માંથી h કેવી find થાય? RE plus X. Now we can use it very easily. RE is how many kilometer?
6.48
Kilometer. How many kilometer? RE 6400. समझ पड़े थे कि नहीं? So H plus RE is 8,000 kilometer. So what will be H? 2,000 करोड़. बराबर subtract कर. Calculator वगैरह થઈ જાય એવું છે. લખીને કરો વાંધો નહીં વગે છે ને સબટ્રેક્શન કરવાનું 8000 minus 6400 કેટલું થાય 1600 yes 1600 કિલોમીટર now check the answer આવી જાય તો નસીબ ઓકે એક્ઝેક્ટ આવી ગયો એ લોકોને શું આવે No, they have given from center. they have not found height, they have only found the distance from center. No problem. આપણે આવી ગયું ને આ 8 into 10 raised to 6. No problem. Clear? Answer is right. It matches with the both. Okay. Next question. 8.18. We are going to solve question 18 now. Hurry up, read the question. Taki no jao. Question 18. So what does it say? A body is, body is thrown or projected from surface upward. Okay, up to drop a diagram. And then what? With what speed? With speed 11.2 kilometers. 11.2 into 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or 3 VE. Or 3 VE. Why do you think question now? પણ ઈ તો escape speed ની value આપી છે. Escape speed of projectile on earth surface is 11.2 km per second. અચ્છા એમ અમને તો ખબર જ નહોતી. A body is projected out with thrice this speed. Okay, thrice the speed. એટલે v equal to 3 VE. Okay or not?
Yes.
Now what's the question? What is the speed of the body far away from Earth and ignore presence of other things or other planets? Far away from Earth એટલે ક્યાં? Infinity. Very good. So this is going to infinity with and launched with this speed. And we have to find what will be its speed when it reaches far away. Initial speed given.
Yes.
We have to find final speed and we know that this is far. कैसे करें? Again, k1 plus u1 equal to k2 plus u2. एक step કરીને છોડી દઉં છું. The rest is for you to finish. Initial kind can half m v square. So what is v square? 9 ve square. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
Absolutely clear, everybody? Plus u1. So when this particle is here and this is earth, and how much will be potential? Minus 3 me m by r. Okay, just like previous question. Oh yeah, power window there.
Yes.
Equal to final category here 0 negative half m v square. અહીંયા મેં v લખી દીધું half m v square જે તમે લોકો v dash પર લોકો. Okay, and u2. This is at infinity. Infinity is our reference. So u2 is 0. Understood? Okay. So this is equation. Now see, there are multiple ways to solve this problem. This एक advice आपको निकालने का और नहीं. It is that if you will convert everything in form of VE, तो आंसर एकदम easily આવી જશે. કદાચ calculator use નહીં. આ તો VE છે, m તો કટ થઈ જશે. પછી શું બચે? ત્યાં ઉપર છે. Can you convert that to VE something? આ છે એટલે VE ના ફોર્મમાં લાવી શકો તો એકદમ easy કહેવાય. Okay? That's your hint. Do give it a try. All right? And then you can put wheel value. What wheel value? 11.2. એટલે બધું ફટાફટ થઈ જશે. Right? You can turn this on. Prepare everyone.